The most common use of exosome or extracellular vesicles, EVs, products for skincare is topical use, either through direct application to the skin or scalp, or in combination with microneedling or laser treatments for enhanced effectiveness. While studies have shown that exosomes or EVS can penetrate the skin barrier on their own, it may take long hours for them to reach the dermis layer. However, direct application may help maintain the benefits of the treatments when used in between sessions. In contrast, microneedling and laser treatments create microchannels in the skin, allowing exosomes to penetrate more easily and deliver faster, more noticeable results. Sitting in between, nano-infusion is gaining popularity due to its minimally invasive nature. While it may produce less noticeable results compared to more aggressive treatments, it still creates microchannels in the skin that facilitate the entry of exosomes or EVS.